In this video, I will give you step-by-step instructions for how to assemble the REFICCER Big and Tall Reclining Office Chair. First, install the roller casters. Rotate the wheel so it's facing towards the middle and then rock side to side while pressing down firmly. Now flip the roller base over and install the hydraulic piston by simply dropping it into place. Now lay the chair seat base upside down on the floor. Notice the 4 mounting screw holes. Align the chair control mechanism with these 4 holes. Now install the 4 mounting screws using the provided Allen wrench or a power driver with the appropriate size bit. Now place the chair seat back face down on the floor. Pull up on the cover and align the seat back support bracket with the 4 mounting holes. Make sure the support bracket is angled at a downward angle. Now install the 4 mounting screws. Now place the seat base on the roller pedestal. Now insert the seat back support bracket into the seat base mounting bracket. Now line up the holes of the seat back and the seat base brackets and install the mounting screws. Now install the right side armrest by lining up the rear armrest mounting hole with the seat back mounting stud and installing the mounting screw. Now locate the seat base mounting stud and align it with the lower armrest mounting hole. Press firmly to seat the lower armrest hole onto the mounting stud. Now install the mounting screw. Now firmly tighten up the armrest mounting screws. Repeat this same process for the opposite side armrests. Lastly, install the armrest screw hole cover tabs. Congratulations! You have now successfully assembled your new REFICCER Big and Tall Reclining Office Chair. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Remember, if you are interested in this product, you can find links to this product in the description of the video.